my name is Manila.
Alright, my name is Sol.
Nice to meet you,
I'm
Uzor.
chef here, so you can look around teaching.
Okay, thank you for inviting us to your fantastic kitchen, your head
Okay.
chef, Uzor.
Oh, yes.
Can you tell me what we're going to cook today?
Okay, today let me introduce you first with to my chef.
Okay, hi.
This one, all these two
Winglava.
chefs, all these two chefs from Shan State,
Okay.
and they are Shan nationality too, so they can cook
Winglava.
very well for you.
Oh,
So
fantastic.
for today, we cook for you noodle, Shan noodle, and pork with mustard pickle, and will be Shan Tofu,
Oh.
crispy Shan Tofu.
Fantastic.
This one they will show you how to cook,
Thank you so much.
so you
Okay.
can enjoy with them.
Thank you,
when
thank you.
it is.
The kitchen is very busy, as I can see. You're getting ready for service.
Yes.
So I think we're going to cook in the other kitchen. Is that okay?
Okay,
Yeah, is that right?
we will go there.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the kitchen was very busy at the back preparing for service, so we've moved into the front kitchen, and I have with me here Chef Mei Win.
Mei Win,
who's-
yes.
He's going to cook us the first dish for us, which is fried tofu.
The first I will prepare for you the Shan noodle. For the first I prepare.
Tell me what's inside, yeah?
Yes.
Do
The
you
first bean powder.
bean
Yes.
powder.
This
Do you-
powder is 1 cup.
Mhm.
1 cup. And then rice powder a little.
Rice powder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rice powder a little. Water 2 cup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gonna mix it all together, yeah?
Yeah. Mix together with.
Mhm. You mind if I take notes, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And then we're gonna put in some
Salt
bit of
little.
okay, a little bit of salt.
Yeah.
Great. Uh-huh.
Yes. With the lady we need to pick up because it's
Mhm.
like a
Make it all bind
yeah,
together, yeah?
Like that.
Okay, great. Paste. How long
It's a
does
long time. Yeah.
It's a little bit like just making a roux kind of thing, but a little bit more
Yeah.
wetter. And you keep stirring until it's all combined.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then nearly 10 minutes, me like that. It is more good.
10 minutes. Oh.
Yes, nearly like that.
And at the end of it, we get this other product over there, yeah? It's
Yeah.
all set. Okay, that's great. So, okay, chef,
Yeah.
next stage, yeah?
Yes, now we put it in the bowl. Yeah,
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
Finish. We need to put fire.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
You make like this long time.
okay, how long would you say?
Nearly 30 minutes.
Nearly
After
30.
finish, it will be this one as well. We still like that.
Okay, so until
Yeah.
it thickens, yeah?
Yeah.
So,
we still.
wow, it's a lot of hard effort, yeah?
Yeah.
So you cook for 30 minutes,
Yes, you make like that.
keep stir.
Yes, not stop.
Stop stirring.
Not stop.
Don't stop.
Cannot stop. You don't stop.
Wow, don't stop. Oh,
Yeah. You make also like this.
I can
You need to
imagine.
very important in the fire.
Okay.
The fire is very important. You to make a little, yeah.
Just very, very low heat.
Yeah, low heat.
Very
yeah,
low
like
heat.
that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then keep stirring for 30 minutes.
Yes, kitchen.
Wow,
Don't stop.
that's-
Don't stop. Do like that.
Hard work.
Yeah.
Especially if it's in the hot kitchen at the back.
Yeah.
Luckily a little bit cooler in here. So I'm glad that we are in this front kitchen. Okay, it's been 30 minutes now and you can see it's completely
Yeah.
transformed and it's quite a good thick paste now. You have to work quite fast, huh?
Yeah.
Very thick.
Now when we step,
Yeah?
we finish.
Uh-huh.
We put in the mold.
Okay.
Yes. You do like that.
Wow. It's like a very thick custard.
Yes.
Okay. And we're gonna let it set.
Yeah. We need to cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Nearly 30 minutes at the freezer.
In the freezer, okay.
Yeah. Like that.
Okay, and here it is after 30 minutes. It's been
Yes.
set, and so we're gonna cut it up now.
Yes. After 30 minutes, do like that.
Mm-hmm.
Because very thin.
Very thin.
Yes. More thin, more stick.
Okay.
More crispy.
More crispy. Ah, because we're gonna fry this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so
When
you're
we
gonna
get
have a nice
finished, we
crispy
fry.
edge. Nice crispy edge
Yeah.
and soft. What's it like in the middle?
Yes, like a agar.
Jelly.
Yeah, jelly.
Okay, I'm looking forward to this. Wow. Yes, it's got the
Yes,
it feels
that's
like
like-
jelly, doesn't it? It looks like jelly.
Yeah.